Following criticism for failing to depict white people, Google has temporarily suspended the Gemini AI model from generating images. Google officially issued a statement last week after the criticism on social media in response to photographs uploaded by Gemini users featuring a majority of people of color, including historical scenarios involving only white people. No one is new to AI. However, Google's latest advancements, Gemini, have failed massively. And in this video, we will discuss the leading cause of this. Let us know in the comments below what you think could be the main reason. Let's get started. Google has launched Gemini, its response to ChatGPT, with much fanfare, calling it its most ambitious broad language model to date. However, despite the claims made by Demis Hassabis and Sundar Pichai, early indications imply that it will be just as dismal as Bard. Two things can be true at once. First, Elon's fears hyperbole on this is hyperbolic. Furthermore, the Gemini fiasco is, well, a fiasco. Though most people outside of Google are unaware of this, it's seen as a degrading admission of guilt inside Google. This is Google's massive wager for the future. Furthermore, although we can live with the possibility that AI bots hallucinate, this is not the same as fearing that chatbots would purposely make mistakes, since that is not how they were designed. According to TechCrunch, it is different from the generative model we expected, especially considering Google reorganizing its AI groups. According to The Information, the product is comparable to what OpenAI launched a year ago and is not yet ready. The company's share value dropped after the debut, which is concerning since investors know when something is not a big deal. Gemini's AI image generation does generate a wide range of people, and that's generally a good thing because people worldwide use it. But it's missing the mark here. Google said in a post on X, "We're already working to address recent issues with Gemini's image generation feature," the tech giant added. "While we do this, we're going to pause the image generation of people and will re-release an improved version soon." Recent social media controversies and widespread mocking were sparked by Gemini-generated photos, with some users criticizing Google for becoming woke at the expense of accuracy or reality. Images showing Black and Asian Nazi troopers, as well as a picture of 4 Swedish women, none of whom were white, were among those that drew controversy. The founder of the engineer of enterprises search startup Glean, Debarga Das, said in a post, "It's embarrassingly hard to get Google Gemini to acknowledge that white people exist." Now, here's the deal. We should all control our expectations. It was not surprising that we were expecting something spectacular, unusual, or revolutionary after Google took a whole year to introduce a product in a market where it was supposed to be the clear leader. Instead, it has introduced a 3-tiered offering, the highest tier of which, Ultra, won't be accessible until January at the latest. Instead, a sample film with a brief exchange with an interactive agent is shown. The movie claims to be our favorite interactions with Gemini, but it's clear from watching that it's all staged and entirely phony. Considering all the publicly available technological details and the number of processors it employs, it is understandable why the general public believes that Google has something like ChatGPT. Still, it is a breed of artificial intelligence introduced previously. As I said then, Google has to overcome the innovator's dilemma to solve its leadership issue. In contrast to Google, which thought its dominance in AI was unassailable and now finds itself asleep at the wheel, Microsoft is willing to take chances, is supported by cloud products, and benefits from any increase in activity in the use of a generative algorithm that involves a relatively significant increase in computing resource requirements. In the past, AI models have also been criticized for producing biased, contradictory information and ignoring people of color. With the release of ChatGPT in 2022, Google has been chasing competitor OpenAI and has encountered many obstacles in developing its AI technologies. The tech giant apologized last year after its AI chatbot Bard misrepresented during a demonstration that the James Webb Space Telescope had captured the first images of a planet outside our solar system. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed our content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you are aware of everything that is happening around the globe.